told you not to
So I
open
have
that
officially hacked my sister's phone. And we're getting our
I need to
beautiful...
rebraid my hair. Woo.
We're getting our beautiful little car looked at. Because it's hot. It's donkey balls. And we're at the car wash.
I'm not choosing it.
Why your coffee open?
I don't know. And the countdown begins. We have...
2 weeks. Till the
Yeah. And then we're out of here. We have 2 to 3 days until our uncle shows up. So...
Oh. Cup did it.
She literally just spilled my coffee.
What?
You spilled my coffee.
No, I didn't. Oh,
Tell
yeah, I
the-
did.
Tell the subscribers that you spilled my coffee.
I sprinkled like 2 droplets.
Lick it.
Ew, fuck no. It's fucking gross. You know how many asses have been on this thing?
So, we're getting the car checked out. Hopefully, they're supposed to check in and make sure that there's no leaks or anything. It might just need Freon.
It's hot as donkey balls.
It is.
Sorry. Had to fix my titties.
So, hopefully, there is no leaks and that is just hot.
You gotta talk louder.
That is just hot. So we'll let you know what happens when we get back in the car. I thought that was a pack of cigarettes. I was gonna say, excuse me?
Girl, I don't even have
excuse
liquid
me?
for this thing.
That looked like something totally different when she pulled that out the first time. Okay. And the little ones are here.
This one isn't open.
So we will see you in a minute.
It's the next day. We didn't finish vlogging yesterday. I'm undoing this girl's hair. We packed up some more stuff from the kitchen. Yesterday we moved the bed frames, all the bed frames off because we are literally leaving in like 2 weeks. And since she was off, we did a lot of stuff. Oh, by the way, we got our air conditioner fixed. And right now I'm just taking out her hair so I can rebraid it and put some braids in. Possibly later. But all the kitchen is emptied out. All we have now is paper plates, paper cups, paper spoons, and all that stuff. I know what I was trying to get you to do. I need the bin for the silverware. That's what I was thinking of.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry. You're always hungry. But I'm taking a break and taking her hair out and braiding it up so that can be done. The only other thing I gotta do is, bend your head down, is take apart, where is it? This thing. Well, this thing right here, I need to take everything out of this and, you know, wrap that shit up in bubble wrap. Yeah, that, nope, go, yeah, that, which is basically a shrine to my mother. So, yeah, but this is our packing mess. Packing mess. So much. What we doing? Oh, you getting the cast iron skillet?
I already got it.
Oh, okay. So this is what our garage is looking like on this lovely, let me open this a little bit. Okay. On this lovely move, pack away situation. So this is the girl's bed. This black one, that's why it says make your bed, because that's the girl's bed.
You need help?
Nope. And then this is the footboard of my sister's bed, the headboard of her bed, and just not even a ton of boxes in here. Like, this is what our garage is looking like. Seriously. We don't got that much. Half this stuff is getting thrown away or whatever. So, you know, it is what it is. It's not a lot of stuff. My kitchen is basically bare. Let me close this. My kitchen is bare. Literally bare. There's nothing in my cabinets. Everything is basically getting packed away. Working on this stuff over here. Of course, they have to have cereal. Empty. Of course, I have 3 mugs in here because that's going on the trip. This cabinet is empty. Welcome to the kitchen. This cabinet has like 3 things in it. Oh, Sarah Jo. I'm gonna throw this away because I can get a new one. Wrap this up, babe. Oh. And these are going in the garbage. You just stuffed your face. And then I'm done. Everything else in there is going in the garbage. This kitchen is basically empty. Wrapping those 2 things up.
Okay, that's gonna be fun.
This stuff over here, this and this is going with us, so it's gonna go in this box. Everything, this is going in the trash. Everything under here is under there is going in the trash. So I just gotta wait for the dumpster to come, and then everything's good to go. I can't believe we're fucking leaving this place. It's crazy. 2 weeks. I said that at the end of this video, but 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay. Peace out. 2 weeks, y'all. 2 weeks. So this is going to be the end of this vlog because I got so much other shit to do.
Can I go get me something to eat?
No. Not yet. Say bye.
Hungry.
Say like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
That's it?
And thumbs up.
Okay.
And leave a notification. And get a notification so you can see.
Turn on your notifications.
So you can see whenever we post.
Peace out.
Peace out.